Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to switch account Instagram PC. We start by opening Instagram in our browser. Next, click on the More option. After that, we will click on Switch Account. Finally, we click on the account we want to access or log in with an existing one, and we will see how we change accounts on Instagram. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.